Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fixing this little hole that's on the bottom of my Intex above ground pool. And this is on the bottom of the pool, or near the bottom at least, so I can't really drain the whole pool. So we're going to try using some Flex Seal tape and hoping that that'll work. I've done similar repairs with Flex Seal tape before, so we'll see how it works. I don't think it'll be perfect. I think it'll probably drip a little bit around the sides, but I'm just going to clean up as best I can around the hole. It's kind of hard because every time you touch that stream, it gets everything wet on the sides. And then it won't stick as well. There you go. So this little pinhole formed, I'm not sure exactly what happened. I think I may have been brushing some algae and maybe that's how it formed, or just stretched over time. So I'm just going to cut out a sheet of this Flex Seal tape. And then in the winter, when I drain the pool, you can do a proper repair, but this should get me through the rest of the summer. So let me find the sticky side of the Flex Seal tape. We'll stick it on there and we will see how it goes. Bear with me here. This tape is always kind of hard to figure out how to get the little cover on it that will allow me to stick it on there. Here we go. This tape, it almost reminds me of like the glue traps that you catch mice and bugs with. It's really sticky. So I'm kind of debating between doing this way or this way. I think I'll do it this way just because I think gravity, having the longer piece going down, will help. So there you go. The tape is sticking on there. There's just a little bit of water going out the sides. You can still see the daylight going through that little hole there. So far, it's doing about what I expected it to do. I think what I'll do is get a heat gun, heat this up just a little bit just to activate some of that glue some more. And hopefully this will get me another couple months. And we will get some leaking around it. But doing a pretty good job. This pool liner is I think it's in its 5th season. I've only had to patch one other patch before, kind of similar to this on the other side of the pool, but it was a smaller hole. Just by a little bit, because this is a fairly small hole to begin with. There you go, guys. Let's see. Kind of see where water kind of pokes out around it intermittently. But much better than what it was. So we'll keep an eye on this. Ideally, you'd patch it from both sides with a more appropriate kind of a underwater glue patch. We'll do that later. If you guys are interested in seeing that, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you got any questions, you can leave them down below, and I'll catch you all next time.